Grenada. Grenada. Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you know we always thank Father God say we have life. And people may be gonna just click a like, share, subscribe on the video here. The video here hot. So as you can see, Labas overseas people. Labas is in Grenada and is a big bad show go down this weekend with Labas and Shenseea in concert in Grenada. And if you look on the screen, people, you can see the flyer for the concert we're going over there. So you know, say a big thing, a mad thing. Chronicler go shell it down. And Chronicler always tell you say him been could a tour. I true him never want a vaccine. You understand? So people, we could just check out the boss, hotel room and all of that, and we're gonna just come back and have a conversation.
When me do me nothing, me no fright for nothing. Avoid people nothing, me no fright for nothing. Nothing, me no fright for nothing. Nothing, me no fright for nothing. Avoid people.
Alright my people, one thing me have to say though, yo, Grenada pretty. Grenada pretty, yo, look on the place man. The place pretty, the place shot. Big up yourself, Chronicler. My beno you never tell we say I go say so we could have just forward and get some of the ambience of the nice place. But big up yourself, my general. I'm wish you all the best and Shenseea all the best to you as well on your performance. And people, please stay tuned because we're not there Grenada right now, but we have people over there. So we're gonna get you the updates, people. We're gonna get you the video performances. You understand? And please stay tuned to my channel this weekend, people, because you don't know this weekend is filled with fun. You understand? A lot of stage show across the countries, and Jamaican Chat will be there giving you all the details. You understand? So everybody you don't know, I'm gonna just like, share, subscribe on the video here, and make us stay tuned. And what do you think? Chronicler day in a Grenada, people. Been could a tour, you know. True, me no want a vaccine.